part, Prodan. I'm back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's card for your mom. That means on Valentine's Day. So we're going to need paper, that's right here, some markers that I have right here, and also some colored pencils. I have like 2 boxes of them. So let's start drawing. First we're going to need our paper and we're going to fold it in half. We never said we're not gonna cut it in half. We're gonna fold it in half like this. First, let's make the beginning. Let's draw a heart for the beginning. Let's start with red pencil. Let's draw a shape of a heart. Do you know how I want to draw the front? We can make a red line on each other, and we can make one with this one side with different sides. So how do you think you can decorate each side? I can do. So you can use blue marker if you have. I want to use a blue marker here. I'm going to do one side boy, one side girl. So it's kind of easy when you do one side boy, one side one side girl, because it's kind of actually fun. So all this time I'm gonna be like drawing as you draw. I have some ideas as you draw. You can also make lots of Valentine cards. You can either make for your grandma, your mom. You can write I love my mom, or like grandma, or whoever you want to send it to. Okay. So it's kind of fun to make Valentine cards. Did you know that? It's really fun to make Valentine cards for grandparents, because like not like grandparents only, but you can make lots of things from paper only. So right now I'm making the list of the girl. I want to make it red as the heart. You can make anything you want on both sides. Either you can cover one without any side. You can still make a line. It might be a part where you can make some holes. So this is kind of making me happy. So you don't need to color the rest. Now we can kind of use black pencils for this part. We can make something that like a little pillow for where usually like gems stay. We're gonna need to make like these little squares. We're gonna need to make these little squares all around it. So I'll do that in fast speed. I'm not done yet, but I'm just giving you some time. It's like crossing on each other. So let's keep going. So we did it. Look, we can color it all blue. So let's take blue. I have blue here, and let's color it in. I want you to have some time as a color, so I'm giving you some time for the video. If you forgot to pause, you can always pause. It's okay if you add white spaces, because sometimes white spaces make it either beautiful. Did you know that? I hope you do. So look at it. So beautiful. Let's move inside. To move inside is just like a book. Only the next page you're good looking. So let's go. Now let's do the inside part. What do you think we can use? I know. First we can draw another heart, but like 2 hearts because we have 2 sides. Let's draw one of exciting, one of happy. We're gonna need double hearts for that. I'm gonna do one on different type of reds. Whoa, reds are going everywhere, sorry, excuse me. This time I made like a little flower for the covering, like this. I really like when I do it, so I'm gonna draw on top like this, like a little circle, and this is where I draw a big smiley face, a happy, and a little smile, and I draw a subtongue and cover it red. And I like to cover everything else in like really dark orange, so everything is it's like tongue, like the whole big tongue, but it's not actually a whole big tongue. Like this. Like it? Let's keep moving into our picture. So in the heart I'm gonna write I, that's I, then L, O, V, H, write love. I love my mom. M, O, N. So you can read this. I love my mom. Can you read it, Mommy? I love my mom. So let's keep going. What do you think we can access? We can write another I love mom. So you can write I love dad this time. I love O-V, love. I love not like to play soccer ball. I love daddy. I love my daddy. With daddy, you write an A. And write to lowercase d is only on the other side. B is like when you write B, lowercase b is like when you erase this, so like D is on the other side. Just to remember this. I love my dad. For this, I'm going to make a big heart so it's all folded up. Like this. And at the end, I'm going to say the end. So I'm going to write that, T-H-E, that, and then end, E-N-D. The end. I hope you have a nice time making your Valentine card for your parents. Remember, you can make both sides work to people, mom and dad, and my mom and dad and grandparents. So I hope you have a nice time, friends. Bye, 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 bye.